Hey guys, just a really quick tech tutorial that might help a lot of people out. So this video is going to be about your microphone volume automatically adjusting in Windows. So if you don't know what I mean, in Windows there is volume for your devices. So for example, your microphone has a volume slider, and what will happen is occasionally this will randomly jump up and it sounds really bad. So that happens randomly sometimes, and I'm here to help you fix it. Okay, so first things first, this is an issue that happens if you have Zoom installed on your computer. So if you don't have Zoom installed, I'm very sorry, but this video is not for you. If you have Zoom installed, good, because I'm about to tell you exactly how to fix this. Alright, so you're going to open up Zoom. And once you're in, you just want to hit the gear, settings icon, whatever. Go to audio, and just literally untick this automatically adjust microphone volume. And that's it. It's that simple. I had this problem for months, and when I found that, I was so happy. Anyway, if this helped you guys, please leave a like. I got a gaming video coming out on New Year's Day, so look forward to that. And yeah, just a quick video. Subscribe, like, comment, and yeah, that's it. Have a good day.